The sacred secret is do samyama on the superphysical, self-effulgent light in you. In every one of you it is there. That light is responsible for your skin shining. There is a superphysical, self-effulgent light in all of you, which is shining in your eyes, which is shining on your skin, which is shining in your being. Do samyama on it. Sit in front of mirror. Gaze at your own reflection. I am giving you the exact technique. Gaze at your own reflection. After one cycle, the reflection will lose its separate dimensions and parts. It will become almost like just a lump of light without having a clear hands, legs, head, without having a clear picture. It will become almost like a lump of light. Please understand. When you gaze at the light intensely, the independent, definite shape on your form will melt down. You will only feel like you are a light, like egg ball. It will usually be egg ball, like a light in the shape of egg. That is what is called Swayam Prakasa, self-effulgent, superphysical light. That is what we call in Sanskrit Linga. Understand? When you gaze at your own image, all the attributes you attributed on your form will melt down. You will just see a light ball. If you are able to see the light ball, you are a Lingodbhava. Kind of a self-effulgent light ball. Now, do samyama on that light in your inner space. Now turn that light in your inner space. Do samyama on it. When you do samyama on that light on your inner space, first thing, even your subtlest thoughts and moods and the happenings in your system, you will understand. Not only thoughts, moods, even the physical changes. If your pressure increases, you will know. Self-diagnostic method. If your diabetic increases, you will know. If your diabetic increases, you will know. If your body is aging, you will know. If you are becoming healthy, you will know. All the subtlest happenings, whether it is on atomic level or molecular level, you will just know. Not only that, by doing samyama on that light, projecting it on wherever you want, you will be able to find out all the hidden treasures, hidden thoughts in others' mind, hidden intentions in others' minds. Hidden thoughts, hidden treasures, in others' minds. And you will be able to find out the distant land things are things in the minds of the people who are in faraway places. Almost like a distance between you and the cosmos disappears.
Trust in you, 'cause you know it's best for me to lead a blissful life, a life with no more strife. I can't believe the things I do, just to spend a little time with you. Nothing will compare, I know you will take care.
You're always showing us compassion, your love is endless like an ocean. Nityananda, Nityananda, my life's become a meditation. Ever since we had a deep connection, Nityananda.